Hello children. SA-1 important questions I am dealing with. In the previous class I have done up to polynomials 3.3 exercise first and second bits. Now I am going to do 3.4 exercise first problem first bit. Children, these are, I told you earlier also, again and again I am saying, these are important questions that I am teaching. This way, if you get any problem, this way, this method will help you to solve the problems. So the first one is P of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equal to x square minus 2. The question is, you have to divide the polynomial P of x by g of x and find the quotient and remainder. What is the question here? You have to find what is quotient. Quotient means Q of x is how much and remainder R of x is how much. This is the question that you need to do, children. So let me take the polynomial x cube, I think it is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 should be divided by x square minus 2. Children, I told you earlier that when I was dealing with the previous main classes, in that I said that the polynomials, whenever you are dividing the polynomial, the first and foremost thing what you need to see is, you need to see that whether the polynomial is in an order. If it is in order, you write down like this. If it is not in an order, you need to put it in an order and you have to do it. So this is in order 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I have seen that it is in order, so I have taken it as it is. Now I need to divide. What did I say earlier? X cube should be divided by x. You are going to get x square. Take x square and x square minus 2 into x square. How much you are getting? X to the power of 4 minus 2x square. So you write down that x cube by x square. Now it is x square means you will be getting x. X means with x you have to multiply. X cube minus 2x you will be getting. So x cube minus 2x. Where is minus 2x, children? Below 5x you have to write. You cannot write it here. So minus 2x I have written here. So minus and plus, these two will get cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3 you have got. So again what you need to do, you have to go for another division, that is minus 3x square divided by x square. What you are getting, children? Minus 3. So take minus 3. Now x square minus 2 should be multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 6 you will be getting. So minus 3x square plus 6 is here. You should leave that x because there is no value of x you are getting. Now plus and minus, what are you getting, children? 7x minus 9 you are getting. So consider this as the remainder. Okay. So this is the remainder and x square minus 3 is your quotient. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood this problem. So what is quotient? Q of x is equal to x square minus 3 and R of x, the remainder is 7x minus 9. Because when you are dividing this, if you wanted to go further, why can't we go further means, if you take 7x and divide it by x square, see children, 7x divided by x square, what are you getting? 7 by x. 7 by x is not a polynomial because variable is there in the denominator. So it will not be a polynomial. If it is not a polynomial, we cannot continue our problem like that. So this itself is the, up to here only you are supposed to do. So this is the answer, children. I hope you have understood. Please copy this. So you are getting g of x. The question is, you need to find out what is g of x and what is r of x. G of x is x square minus 3 and r of x is 7x minus 9. So I hope you have understood, children. Have you copied? Now, the next problem, 3.4, second problem, second bit. 3.4, you have got second problem, second bit. So what is it? Let us see, children. So in this way you have got two more sums, children. Once let me explain you third bit. It's not, means it is not there in important questions. But in case if you get, see children, you have got the third problem of first bit, third problem. Just an explanation I wanted to give, children. P of x is x to the power of 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is 2 minus x square, children. So write them in an order. This one you write it in an order. That is minus x square plus 2 you write. Then you start dividing. That will help you to solve the problem easily. This is not there in important questions, but just I am explaining you in case if you get what you need to do. Now let us go for the next one. That is second problem, first bit. Check whether in which case, the question is like this. Let me read that question. Check in which case. So what is the problem that they are asking you, children? Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. You have got two polynomials, children. T cube t square minus 3 and 2t to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. These are the two factors. So first factor you have got t square minus 3. Second one is 2t square t to the power of 4, so on. So second factor you need to divide by the first factor. Then how do you know that it is a factor? We know that when you divide, if you get remainder 0, we will say it is a factor. So what we need to do? You have to divide and find out whether it is a factor. So first polynomial should be divided by second polynomial. So what is the first polynomial? First polynomial given is t square minus 3. And what is the second polynomial? Second polynomial is 2t to the power of 4 3. The second polynomial is 3t cube. This is 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the second polynomial. That means first polynomial is nothing but g of x you have to take. First polynomial should be considered as g of x, and this is p of x. Okay, children. Now what you need to do, the question is whether g of x is a factor of p of x. How do you know? When you divide, you will be coming to know. So 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 divided by t square minus 3. So take 3t cube divided by t square. So here what you are getting? 3t. Take 3t here and t square minus 3 should be multiplied with 3t. What you are getting? 3t cube minus 9t. So you write 3t cube minus 9t is here. Below t you have to write this. Don't write apart under t square because always like terms together. Remember that, children, in your lower classes you have learned. Minus and plus, this and this will get cancelled. You have got minus 2t square minus 12. So again, what you need to do again, the division part. That is take minus 2t square and divide it by t square. So how much you are getting, children? T square will get it cancel, and minus 2 you are getting. So take minus 2 t square minus 3 2s are 6 plus and plus. What are you getting, children? You are getting minus 6. Okay, you are getting its value as minus 6. So since you are getting its value of minus 6, this is first problem, children, what I am doing. I will do second problem also. If you are getting minus 6, this is a remainder you are getting. So is it a factor, children? No. So g of x is not a factor of p of x. You will be writing like this: g of x is not a factor of p of x because it is not getting divided. So please write down. You need to find out whether the first one is a factor of the second one. So first one you have to take, second one you have to take and divide it by first one. If you get remainder 0, it is a factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. So let us see the second problem. Now second problem, second bit, children. We have got g of x as x square minus plus 3x plus 1, and this is p of x is 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So take 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by g of x is how much? G of x is x square plus 3x plus 1. So what you do? 3x to the power of 4 by x square. You are getting 3x square. So with 3x square, you are multiplying x square plus 3x plus 1 with 3x square. You are getting 3x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. So 3x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. So when you are subtracting, minus, the signs will change, and minus 4x cube minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. This is what the value that you are getting while dividing. Now let us see the next one, that is minus 4x cube divided by x square. How much you are getting when minus 4x cube divided by x square? You are getting minus 4x. So take minus 4x. Now x square plus 3x plus 1 into minus 4x. Minus 4x cube. This is minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. So what you are getting, children? If you are multiplying by minus 4, minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. Now subtract, children, the signs will change. These two will get cancelled. 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So again you have to divide it. The same procedure you need to follow. What is that? You have to take 2x square and divide it by x square. How much you are getting? 2. So take plus 2 here and multiply x square plus 3x plus 1 by 2, 2x square plus 6x plus 2 you are getting. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So when you are subtracting, everything you are getting cancelled and you are getting 0, children. So with this, what you are able to follow, you can say that therefore g of x is a factor of p of x. Both of them are factors because you are getting remainder as 0. So in the earlier case we didn't get remainder as 0 children, so it was not a factor. But here you have got remainder as 0, so it is a factor. I hope you have followed children. Copy it. Now we will be doing the next one, that is third problem. You have got third and fourth bits are there. Third problem, the question is obtain all the zeros. You have to find out all the zeros. First, what they have given, p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 10x minus 5. See children, this is a polynomial with a degree 4. We know that whatever is the degree of the polynomial, so many factors you should get. So here degree 4 means how many factors you need to get? 4 factors you have to get. So what are they given? They have given the roots dividing by second. What is that they have given? Zeros they have given. What are the zeros they have given? Root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So basing on this, the factors can be taken as x minus root 5 by 3 as 1 and x plus root 5 by 3, because children x minus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5 by 3. You will get this. X plus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5 by 3, you will get this. So what you have to do, first you take x minus root 5 by 3, multiply with x plus root 5 by 3. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What you are getting? A square minus b square. That means what you are getting children? X square minus 5 by 3. So you can simplify it by multiplying by 3. What you are getting children? X square minus 5 by 3 can be written as 3x square minus 5. The reason is minus 5 by 3, when you multiply by 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will be getting minus 5. So you can take g of x as 3x square minus 5. By taking g of x as 3x square minus 5, we need to divide this so that you will be getting a quadratic equation as g of x, as q of x, quotient. Split the middle term, you are going to get the remaining 2. I hope up to this you copy this. Now at present, to get this solution children, for this you will be taking g of x, because you have got g of x, you will be getting when x cube minus x square, g of x, let me write once again that you have got g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. This is what you have got in the previous value, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So in this case what you have to do, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So x cube by x is x square. So take x square into x cube minus 2x square. So minus and plus, you are getting minus x square plus 3x minus 2. That means here you will be getting minus x. So minus x square plus 2x you will be getting. So plus here minus here, you are getting x minus 2. X minus 2 means plus 1 if you take x minus 2 you will be getting. So what is g of x in the problem children? They have asked g of x. So g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is your answer. So in this problem what they have given? They have given p of x and they have given q of x, they have given r of x. You need to find out g of x. So for that what we have done? We have done the division rule. That is g of x into q of x plus r of x is equal to p of x. So we have sent the whatever values that are given to RHS. Ultimately we have got this equation, g of x value is this. So this when you divide, you are getting g of x value, children. So I hope you have followed. With this, up to this, these are the problems which you have got in polynomials. Important problems for SA-1. So prepare well for that, children.